Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'll be sharing the benefits of feeding mint to budgies and capturing their delightful reactions. Mint not only adds a refreshing flavor but also brings potential health advantages for our feathered friends. Feeding mint to budgies can aid in digestion, provide respiratory benefits, and add a delightful variety to their meals. Watch as my budgies express their joy during this tasty adventure. As you can see, my budgies are thoroughly enjoying the mint. It's heartwarming to witness their excitement and curiosity during mealtime. Have you tried incorporating mint into your budgies diet? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your feathered friends' reactions. Adding mint to your budgies diet can bring both joy and potential health benefits. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more bird loving content. Thanks for joining me on this minty adventure with our feathered friends.